Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today, as you saw in the title, I will be replacing my expansion tank, and not the coolant, because I will not have coolant, and I will show you why, but I will show you how you can replace the coolant if you want to replace the coolant. So guys, if you are new in the channel, we are restoring this Audi A3 1.6 from 98. If you are new in the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Take a look at my other videos. We will have a lot of content with this Audi, and we already have content with other cars, because I already recover other cars. So guys, don't forget also your thumbs up, and let's go to replace this expansion tank. The reason that I will not replace the coolant, I will have just the water, it's because I was changing my engine oil. I was taking a look at the hoses, because I want to see the real condition of the hoses, because if I have to replace the hoses I will have to order. So I was taking a look, then I found out a leak, a small leak, but in a hose right here, and that hose is a metallic hose, and I had to, you know, find some solution, at least not permanently of course, but in order to stop the leak, because I need to test the car, I need to move the car from one place to another, and I had to stop. I'm going to show you, it's right here. The hose that I have damaged, as you can see, there's two clamps right here and a piece of hose. It's the way that I found to at least who can drive the car. It's still leaking, but not so bad. So guys, I will wait for the hose to arrive, and then I will replace the hose, and I will take this chance to check all the hoses, you know. Right now I'm gonna replace the expansion tank. I will also show you how to drain it, how you can remove the coolant if you want to remove the coolant. So guys, let's go. In this car it's really easy to remove the coolant because there is a drain down here, and you just need to open and remove all the coolant. I will show you. So guys, there is a few kids playing. Probably you'll hear it, a few screams, but do not worry, they are playing, okay? Let's go. So guys, I'm gonna show you where is the drain, right here on the driver's side. Oops. And here is the drain. You just need to open this. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. So guys, I opened the expansion tank cap because it will drain way faster. So guys, while that thing is draining, because it's still draining, I will show you how to replace, and I will also, you know, I want to replace some clamps of this car, because we are restoring the car. I want to give a good looking. So guys, let's go. So guys, at this point I already removed the return hose, which is this one. I already disconnect the sensor. I already put aside these connections, these cables, the cables right here. All I need to do right now to remove the expansion tank is to remove these two screws and the lower hose. To have access to the lower hose, we can remove these two screws, and we have access from the downside of the expansion tank to the hose and the clamp. So let's go. Easy thing. Try not to lose the screws. Now we have access to the clamp that holds the lower hose, so let's try to remove this clamp. Once we remove the expansion tank, we just need to install the new one. close the drain and add the coolant, in my case DI water. So guys, let's go. So guys, once you add coolant, in my case DI water, all you need to do is to turn on the engine and let it run until it reaches the normal function temperature, which is 90 degrees, but at 80 something the thermostat will open. So guys, it's really important also you go inside your car, turn on the ignition and put into hot air and turn it on in order to the coolant goes also inside the heater core. Always had a little bit of coolant upper the maximum, because once the thermostat open, this will go down. After you do this kind of job, check the coolant level, check you don't have any leaks, check if you don't have air in the system. Hope this video can help you. I hope you enjoy. Leave your thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.